What is gyroscopic motion? Consider a cycle rim which has horizontal axis of rotation. This axis is placed on a vertical rod. When we rotate the rim with constant angular velocity in any direction, we observe that the vertical rod on which the axis of rotation is placed rotates itself. The external force applied to rotate the cycle rim is known as active force, and the force which tends the vertical rod to rotate is known as reactive force. The plane in which the rim of the cycle rotates due to active force is called plane of spinning. The plane on which the vertical rod rotates due to reactive force is called plane of precession. The effect of active force on which a body rotating with constant velocity tends to rotate in a perpendicular axis due to reactive couple is known as gyroscopic motion. Thus, gyroscopic motion is a motion which tends a body rotating with constant angular velocity to rotate in axis perpendicular to its rotation. The effect of gyroscopic motion is particularly seen in airplanes, ships, etc.
Related terms are